After we know how the brand will position itself, it's time to start thinking about the personality. How will the brand talk like? How will it look like? This will help us in creating the right visual direction. Finally, time to start designing. Having a strong voice and personality is important for the brand. In some cases, it's even a key asset for the brand. Being able to speak differently can persuade customers into buying your brand, even if it's more expensive. What is a brand voice or personality? Apple is stylish, casual, smart and cool. MailChimp is quirky and playful. People do not think about brand as abstract concepts, nor do they see them as just companies. They see them as personalities. And some personalities connect better than others. Brand voice is a unique voice that fits the company's culture and vision. It's how the brand looks and feels, it's how it talks, it's how a person answers the phone and how you write Facebook posts. People often think they make decisions based on rational facts. What are the features of this iPad or iPhone that I'm buying? But oftentimes we decide this on a subconscious level, on an emotional level. What are the benefits? How will I look like if I buy this product? That's why it's so important to think about this personality. So having a clear personality helps customers in knowing what to expect. It can also help you for your own team. Knowing how the brand talks can help you in being consistent across all touchpoints. How to define a brand voice? Think about how the brand is perceived. What kind of personality traits are really important here? Look for well-known personalities, fictional or non-fictional, that they would like to associate with the brand. Then ask why. Focus on easy recognizable traits, not intrinsic qualities. For example, honesty is a great value, but how will it define the personality? It's not an easy trait to work with. How can we really show honesty? By being concise, by being open, by talking clearly. Make a list of all these attributes. Circle out those that work best for you. A maximum of 5 should be enough. Each attribute can have a certain impact. Decide what attributes are the most important for your target audience. You can plot these different attributes on the spider graph and create a personality profile. Let's talk about inspiring brands. Another interesting exercise is inspiring brands. This can really help you and your client challenge the status quo and look beyond the industry's borders of what's really inspiring. It's almost impossible to build a brand in total isolation. The way companies like MailChimp manage to create this unique personality can be really inspiring. They're quirky and playful, yet they're a tech company. It really differentiated themselves from the rest of the bunch. The same goes for Patagonia, which is really known to be a sustainable brand that is true to its values. Patagonia really differentiates itself from its competitors because it has this strong purpose and it sticks to it. These brands can really inspire us, and showing this to your client can make them aware of how they can do things differently. That's why in HolaBrief we have this exercise where you can list inspiring brands and talk about it with your client. The exercise itself is really simple. The trick here is to open the spectrum and to look to competitors that aren't in the industry. Forget about competitors, there's another exercise for that. Try to find brands that you know are doing a great job, and try to find out why they are doing that and explain that to your client. It could be their tone of voice, their look and feel, how they deal with customer support, anything that can really inspire a brand. This exercise will help you and your client in building a brand that has its own unique direction, its unique set of attributes, create a personality that stands out from the crowd.